Hi friends, in this video we will see elevator access control feature of the COSEC server. Basic requirements: COSEC Sentra V14R1 or higher versions, access control license, COSEC panel light V2, COSEC ARC IO800 as panel door, authentication device as panel door. Supported authentication devices are COSEC Door Series, Vega Series and Path Series. The elevator access control allows access to the user in elevator using biometric or RFID card credential at allotted time and assigned floors. Consider a scenario. The elevator has 5 floors, that is basement, ground, first, second and third. Let us consider the authentication device COSEC Door FOP installed inside the elevator for authenticating the user. The 5 aux output ports of COSEC ARC IO800 are connected to 5 floors of the elevator's control panel. The floor buttons in the elevator will become active only when the user gets authenticated. The user can access the assigned floors by pressing the active buttons. Let us go through the configuration now. We will complete the configuration in 7 steps. First, enable elevator access control feature in panel light V2. Second, configure elevator and assign authentication device. Third, assign floors to the elevator and link aux port to the floors. Fourth, configure time schedule and time schedule group. Fifth, configure elevator floor groups. Sixth, enable auxiliary output. 7. Assign elevator floor group to the user. Let us start with the first step. Go to Devices module, followed by Device list. Select Panel Light from the list. Click Features tab. Go to Elevator Access Control section and check Enable flag to activate the feature. Click on Save icon to save the configuration. This completes the first step to enable elevator access control feature on panel light. Let us move on to the second step to configure elevator and assign authentication device. Go to Access Control module, followed by Elevator Access Control. Go to Elevator Configuration. Select Panel Light from the pick list for Panel Light V2. Now click on plus icon to add an elevator. Assign the desired name to the elevator as required. Select the authentication device from the pick list for Panel Light V2 doors. Select the authentication device as COSEC Door FOP. Specify the access duration for floors in seconds as required. The floor selection buttons in the elevator will remain active for the set duration. The default value is 10 seconds. If the floor is not selected within this access duration, Then selection buttons will become disabled. Then user has to punch on authentication device again for activating floor selection buttons. Save the elevator configuration. Similarly, you can add up to 24 elevators to one panel light. This completes the second step of configuring elevator. Let us move on to the third step to assign floors to the elevator and link aux output to the floors. Go to Elevator Configuration followed by Floor Configuration. Click on plus icon to add a floor. Specify the name of the floor as required. We will assign basement. Check free access floor flag if required. If free access floor flag is checked, the floor can be freely accessed by everyone. Select the device as ARC IO 800 from the pick list whose aux output ports are connected to the floors of the elevator. Select the particular output port from the drop-down list which is connected to the configured floor. We will select aux output 1 for basement. Click OK. Similarly, we will add other floors and link to aux output ports. Assign aux output 2 to ground floor. Aux output 3 to first floor. Aux output 4 to second floor. Aux output 5 to third floor. Save the floor configuration. This completes the third step of assigning floors to the elevator and linking aux output to the floors. Let us move on to the fourth step to configure time schedule and time schedule group. Time schedule allows the system to grant access to the users to certain access zones only in the specified time period. Go to Access Control module followed by Time Schedule. Click on plus to create a new time schedule. Assign the name of the time schedule as desired. Check Active Flag to activate the time schedule. Assign the start and end time as desired. We will assign the 8 as start time and 20 as end time. Check the active days flag as required and save the time schedule. Now go to Time Schedule group. Click on plus to create new time schedule group. configure the time schedule from the pick list for time zone. Save the time schedule group. This completes the fourth step. Configure time schedule and time schedule group. Let us move on to fifth step to configure elevator flow groups. Go to Elevator Access Control followed by Elevator Floor Group. Click New to add a new elevator floor group. Specify the name of the elevator flow group as required. We will assign GFFF group, that is group of ground floor and first floor. Click on plus icon to add a floor. Select the elevator from the pick list. Select the floors of the elevator. We will select ground floor and first floor. Select time schedule group from the pick list as configured in the fourth step. Click OK and save the elevator flow group. Now we will create another floor group named All Floor Group with all the floors in the group. Similarly, you can create the group with required combination of floors. This completes the fifth step. Configure elevator floor groups. Let us move on to sixth step to enable aux output. Go to Device Module followed by Device List. Select ARC IO800 from the list. Go to Input or Output. Go to Auxiliary Output section. Check Enable flag to activate aux output 1. Click OK to save the configuration. Similarly, we will enable other aux outputs connected to the floors of the elevator. Save the device configuration. This completes the sixth step of enabling aux output. Let us move on to seventh step to assign elevator floor group to the user. Go to Users module followed by User list. And select the user. Go to Access Control section followed by Advanced tab. Check Enable Advanced Access Control flag. Check Enable Elevator Access Control flag. Select the elevator floor group from the pick list for which you want to give access to the user. We will select floor group GFFF which we have configured in 4th step, so the user can access ground floor and first floor. Save the user configuration of elevator floor group. This completes the entire configuration. Note: for proper functioning of this feature, COSEC reader or controller installed inside elevator car, COSEC panel light and COSEC ARC IO800 controllers should be in communication with each other. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries and support, contact Matrix Technical Support Team.